Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and now we're just gonna do another rebuild. I'm just gonna do the setup real fast, shouldn't be too long. I realized it's actually better to turn the salary cap off, but for purposes of this video, we won't turn it off. We'll just do like that. And then we'll turn. And then, oh yes, we got this. Oh, yes, it's back. I don't know if you can hear it though. I can't. I mean, I can hear it, but like. We are going to be doing the Sacramento Kings. We're going to try and make them playoff team, maybe 1 or 2 years. So we're just going to go to the draft lottery now. And we have odds for pick 7. We get pick 7, okay. Any other picks? Doesn't look like it, just pick 7. So this is our team. We can probably, the only bad contract I'd say is that one, is Zach Randolph, because he's making 11 million. And honestly, if we can get a better trade, and the Celtics just want to give me a pick for next year, I'm gonna do that. I also have to take this guy, but I don't care. Okay, this is our coach. I want a slightly better coach. Actually, maybe like Lucas. Then our CFO can be Lucas Smith. And then we still have about 2 million to get more. So I'm just gonna offer them some contracts. There we go. Okay. We got our staff. I don't know. If you hear my controller, yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, let's just go to our pick. Let's see who our options are. Let's review Trigger Trey. Ooh. Honestly, I can do something with Trigger Trey. Kemba. Honestly, I think I'll trade this pick for Trae Young, because he's good, and he's young, but he's also kind of good. So I think I'm gonna do that trade. So now we're gonna try and get back into this draft, like trying to get that pick 10. So what players will we give up? Probably this guy. And I'll throw in 2 seconds. Okay. I'll throw in 2 more seconds. Okay, here, I'll give you a first round pick. Swap worst Orlando and another second. Okay, well, I don't want that pick. What do I do to get that pick? You know what? You're not agreeing to my trades. So I'm just gonna swap picks and stuff. That's all I want to do. Cool, we got pick 10. Yeah. Oh, Marvin Bagley. I mean, he is actually the Kings rookie, so I'm gonna probably draft him. So the next thing I want to do is I want to trade Frank Mason. 2 first-round picks. Honestly, they're not gonna be good. Actually, that's a second. Oh, I didn't realize that. And then let's just trade that guy for maybe can we trade 2 seconds for possibly this second. Cool. I want to see what we can get with this second round pick. We can get Grayson Allen. We can get Jerome Robinson. I think I'm going to get Jerome Robinson because he's not horrible. So the Bulls got Trae Young with their 3rd pick, but then got Mo Bamba instead. Josh Oogie went 8th. Okay. Well, we got a good pick by us. So I'm gonna sign all of them. They all accepted their player option, which honestly I don't care. We're not going to give you the qualifying offer. And we have 60 million in cap room. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna try and make this team not win a championship, but possibly get make the team a little bit better than it is now. So I'm gonna try and get this. So I'm gonna get big man. I'm gonna give you a player option and a no trade clause because I'm not gonna trade you. And then that's pretty much the only. Then I guess I can give the Tyreek a little bit. Okay, well let's go with CP3. And yeah. Come on, okay, let's go with Paul George then. Player option, no trade clause. Okay, these. I want KD. Oh, we just missed out on a whole ton of free agents. Okay, let's get D-Wade. Actually, let's get Rajon Rondo. Yes, Rajon Rondo. Yes, we signed Rondo. Clap it up, everyone. Clap it up. We just got Rajon Rondo. Hold on. Look at that. I'm happy. Okay, we got our best player, Isaiah Thomas. You know what? That's okay. That's okay. Trigger Trey is going to be playing minutes. Definitely. I don't care if he's like a bench warmer. Like what 2K thinks is a bench warmer. I don't care. I'm playing. Okay, let's load in 2019 draft class. So we're going to load that in real fast. Okay. Send the team to free throw because everybody wasn't that good at free throw. Oh my. That was actually pretty much needed because everyone was really bad, pretty much. Let's give untapped. Do I want to give it? I'm gonna give it to Trae Young because I believe if I remember, it only has like an 80, like an 89 after that. So, coach game plan looking like Fox, Buddy Hield, Bogdan Bogdanovich, Marvin Bagley, Willie Cauley-Stein. Then on the bench we have Isaiah Thomas, Trae Young, Rajon. Why do I have 3 point guards? Okay, let's find a way to get rid of Rajon Rondo. I realized we have 3 point guards. Can you get someone other than a point guard? Marcus Morris. Perfect. Then who's this other guy we just got? This guy. Yeah. Can we trade him? No. How about... Can I just have 2... Why don't you want anyone? Can we just trade that for like a 2nd round pick? And Jared Bayless. What? You know what? I don't want any G League things. I just want Dallas Mavericks 2nd round pick. I like that. Okay. Coach game plan, pretty much the same. Is he playing 32 now? Okay, IT. Okay, everybody's gonna start playing a little bit. We have a decent, I'm gonna say decent bench. Let's just sim to the end of the season, and I will see you then, unless if I find a trade. I don't like that trade. Okay. Coach game plan, pretty much the same. Is he playing 32 now? Okay, IT. Okay, everybody's gonna start playing a little bit. We have a decent, I'm gonna say decent bench. Let's just sim to the end of the season, and I will see you then, unless if I find a trade. I don't like that trade. Okay, well, we're back, and I was just offered this trade. Terry Rozier for Isaiah Thomas. Yes, they're gonna get Isaiah Thomas is going back to the Celtics, everyone. He's going back to the Celtics. Let's accept this offer. Boom. Okay, new coach game plan. What are we looking at? Trae Young's gonna start now, right? Fox, Rozier, Bogdan, and Rozier guy. No, and I'm gonna take a little bit of your minutes and I'm gonna shove them in that guy. Okay, there we go. Okay, back to the simulating. See you then. Or stuff. Okay, we're back. Contract extension deadline. All of our main guys don't want to resign, but all of these guys do. I'm not gonna try and go for you guys, but possibly you, because that's That's a good deal. So I'm gonna put team option on top of that. So, okay, just gonna simulate yet again. Okay, Westbrook MVP, Marvin Bagley, Rookie of the Year. That's our rookie, which is good. He actually averaged a double-double, 1 block a game, 0.9 steals, 0.6 assists. Okay, you know what? I don't care. We might have to change that. Okay. And we're not in the playoffs. I didn't try to tank. I tried to get some good players. Couldn't get them. OKC. Oh, OKC got a championship. Not bad, I must say. Okay, back to the draft law. What odds do we have? Oh, we gave the Clippers. Celtics have our 7th pick. So honestly, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and get back into this draft because what picks do I have? I don't have any picks. So I'm gonna try and this is the last year of the rebuild, so I need to get picks. So I'm just gonna try and get those picks, and then I'll shove in that and a bunch more seconds. I'm just gonna try and get a whole ton of here. I can't believe I'm about to do this. Two first rounds. Actually, I want to give those to another team. Like I'll give them to you. I'll give you that. There we go. And let's just go to the draft. This is our final year. And let's hope we get some good things. We got the 9th pick. Cam Reddish, probably what we're gonna pick. So I'm gonna pick Cam Reddish. We also have this 27th pick. Montrezl Harrell or Mike Scott. Honestly, they're both. I'm gonna try and get. I'm gonna do this trade, and then with that 2nd round pick, I'm going to take Taco Fall. I can't not take him, okay? He's good. He's tall. He's lanky. Okay, now we're going to trade finder that pick. Gonna trade that pick for that pick. Okay, well I'm gonna trade that pick. No, I don't care. Send it. Sign everyone. I'm gonna accept everyone, okay? everyone's getting accepted. We're going to send them qualifying offers. Terry Rozier, come back and stuff. Nikola Jokic, come play for us. Oh, nice, I can get them both. Okay, I'm just gonna... You know what, let's just sim the rest of the seasons. I mean, we're not gonna be playing... I'm gonna try and see if I can get this team playoff contention. This is our starting lineup, so it's pretty good, I think. So, well, I'm gonna go ahead and sim the rest of the season. See you probably at the end. Probably, unless if I find a trade that I like. So, yeah. Okay, at the contract extension deadline. I don't really know why I'm here, because I'm not going to make... I mean, I'll see if I can extend you. Yep, okay. Done. I'm gonna continue simulating. Okay, Russell Westbrook. Again, MVP. Zion. Oh my gosh, it's Zion. Okay, nobody. Okay, what? Okay. Ooh, Jokic. First team. Oh, we're the 5th seed. Oh, dang. We're the 5th seed. Can we get out of the... No, never mind. Okay. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. I pretty much tried to make the Sacramento Kings a playoff team. And would you look at that? I made them a playoff team. They're the 5 seed. Well, see you in the next one. Bye.